my name is Robert Carroll, and my favorite player is Dustin Pedroia.
Hi, my name is Easton Dillard, and my favorite player is Derek Jeter.
Hi, my name is Brock Duffer, and my favorite baseball player is Craig Kimbrell.
Hi, my name is Ethan Jackson, and my favorite baseball player is Bryce Harper.
Hi, my name is Tanner Jones, and my favorite baseball player is Mike Trout. Hi, my name is Tyler Jones, and my favorite baseball player is Mookie Betts.
Hi, my name is John Henry Knotts, and my favorite baseball player is David Price.
Hi, my name is Zach McWilliams. My favorite player is David Ortiz.
Hi, my name is RJ Moore. My favorite baseball player is Mookie Betts.
Hi, my name is Ryan Oden, and my favorite baseball player is Giancarlo Stanton.
Hi, my name is Isaiah Page, and my favorite baseball player is Domingo Ayala.
Hi, my name is Carson Rucker, and my favorite baseball player is Derek Jeter.
Hi, my name is John Luke Simmons, and my favorite player is Randy Johnson.
Wow, we've gone